hear that matter? Well, we get experts inside studio here. Her name now Toyin Lolu Ogumade. She be owner and CEO of Precious Conceptions. Now she go give us more gist inside this surrogacy matter. Madam, welcome.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the Good Morning Naija show. This surrogacy matter. For what they don't explain, give us. It be like say now woman go come out her own egg, not be him. Give another person. Now the small explanation will be say, "Well, mind if you carry yours go," but now you there inside the business. Tell us what in this surrogacy mean.
Okay, surrogacy there two types.
Okay.
Like that this small gist
yes,
we had. Two types.
Okay.
The first one the one where the woman go donate her egg.
Okay.
So the pikin where she go born go resemble am. Then go share the same DNA. But she go get sperm from the man where no fit, where in wife no fit born.
Yes.
But another one day will be gestational surrogacy. Where be say the woman no go give her egg at all. Her egg no go day at all.
Okay.
So even when she born the pikin, if you do DNA test, they're not go dey related at all. The pikin no go even resemble am. Okay. So she just be like person where you hire, say make you do something for you.
Okay.
Like as we dey inside here now. When we come out, we not go look like this room.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
But we don't dey inside this room. Do some work.
Yes.
Now like that, CB.
Okay. No vex. Make I get the second one. So second one just be like say you meet person. The person they willing to carry belle for you. Your own egg not follow inside
at all.
But maybe now your own husband sperm.
Yes.
Now you go dey inside.
No.
Body.
No, make I explain now. Okay. Say for instance now.
Yes.
Husband and wife not fit born because the woman get problem for her womb or maybe for her body.
Yes.
Because some people they sick when they get belle.
No be lie.
And some people not even fit at all.
Fact.
Because of one reason or the other. But when doctor comes say na surrogacy, then go do.
Yes.
Then go look for another woman.
Okay.
Where be say her womb they okay and she fit carry. So the woman said for don't do plenty tests for hospital. Then go check and say she dey okay to carry this thing. This thing no go risk her life.
I'm understanding you.
You get. So the woman, where they find pikin, go donate her egg. Her husband go donate his sperm.
I know that one. Now the second one, now we want. I never hear that one.
Then go fertilize them for inside IVF hospital.
Yes.
The embryo where they form, then go transfer inside that third person.
Okay.
You get.
I get that one.
And then go treat them.
Yes.
So if pregnancy come, then the woman go carry the thing reach term.
Not a problem.
Born am.
Yes.
At birth, immediately when she born the pikin, they go separate the pikin and the woman.
Okay.
And give them back to the person they get them.
Okay. That one are the regular one where we say me I sabi o.
Yes.
But the second one where we say that one my egg not go even there at all. Now what time make me understand very well.
Okay, this question confused me small.
Okay.
In times past,
yes.
For olden days,
yes.
when IVF technique never did.
Yes.
Now, when this woman not fit carry pikin, she go find young woman.
Where her husband go sleep with?
No.
Okay.
Her husband not go sleep with. Then go come out. Okay, so the thing where then they do then when IVF not dey.
Yeah.
We say they go carry the sperm from the man, do IUI, which is artificial insemination. Then go flush am inside the woman.
Okay.
Okay, but now the woman go can't get the pikin. You understand? But she don't sign agreement. Say this pikin, no, I go give on her.
Yes.
That is traditional. Even though na my own egg.
The thing being,
but over time, as technology they improve, as IVF con dey, IVF don dey now reach 42 years, 43 years. Okay, people now they do that traditional one again because problem dey plenty.
Yes.
This woman wey born pikin go fit wake up one day say I won't claim my pikin back. What you go fit do?
Yeah.
Now you get pikin now.
Yes.
So as IVF con dey, and the technique can they improved over time. You know, something where person don't do for 42, 43 years, and we don't know how they go do and well. So we know they use woman we get the egg anymore. So the woman we want born pikin, now she go donate her egg. Her husband go donate his own sperm. They will just carry inside another person. Now, some women, they will not use their egg.
Exactly. What's the way for you to talk?
Because of age.
Yes.
Or because they get one disease where they no want transfer to their pikin. We go get another woman, small girl, like age 22, 23, 24, 25. Person we don't born pikin before, most preferred. Okay. We go collect egg from that one. That one will be the egg donor.
Okay.
Okay, the woman husband go put in sperm, and then a surrogate go carry the pikin.
Aha.
So the surrogate no go get any connection
so for this second one thing you talk now, like 4 people they involved now.
Exactly.
You don't get the 20-something-year-old girl because her egg they see they sharp.
Yes.
We collect them. Husband go come put in own.
Yes.
Then you come find another person, bam, bam, bam. We go come give her to.
Yes.
Like that. Okay. You don't clear. And I don't see the 2 types when we say they. This surrogacy matter, I could just ask the obvious question. It's not too popular for Nigeria, I think.
It's popular.
Talk true.
It's popular. Now the thing where me I do be that.
We don't open Irish like that.
Yes.
People know they carry traditional belief and religious waiting put inside.
No, people know they talk because of taboo. You know, you don't mention that when we just start.
Yes, nah.
Because shame day, stigma day.
Madam,
you say, why you not fit do this thing yourself?
Some places to even born with CSF, not be enough to even give testimony.
You know, but when you think, say, this woman will not fit carry pikin, yes. Why? Which woman no one carry her pikin? Some people cannot. Yes. They're not fit.
Okay.
Because of one thing or the other. And the only way we then feel born pikin for this world, yes, na surrogacy. Okay. Some they get fibroid, where we say, and when they go inside the operation theater like this, back and forth. You understand? And some they just sick. They're not fit. So if doctor tell them, say, na surrogacy go help you. You know, they're easy to embrace. But sometimes with counseling, you know, a lot of counseling, what would they do for people like that? So with that
realization, is it legal for Nigeria now?
We get law.
Okay.
It just be say people no monitor them. Okay. We get law. Okay. And we get body where they supervise this thing. The Association for Fertility and Reproductive Health Nigeria. Okay. Group of doctors where they supervise IVF treatments, assisted reproductive technology treatments in Nigeria. So not be say person go just wake up one day and say, in one do no, law day will regulate this thing.
I see.
It's just that people know you know now.
Yes.
You know how our country be sometimes. They're no regulator. But we don't begin, we will be stakeholders, we don't begin talk. Say this thing, make we regulate them. So people for House of Assembly, people for Lagos State House of Assembly, they don't begin talk, then they do series of meetings.
Go even fee end.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Because of, you know, the people they follow back here, they buy, they go kidnap Peking.
Baby factory not be surrogacy.
No, you be surrogacy now.
At all.
Yes.
Because that one is enslavement.
Enslavement, yes.
But if people not say, okay, this thing I feel do legal for Nigeria, then go come. And we get law, we get contracts, we back this thing. We get lawyers where they work with us.
I agree with you.
We go help us do contracts where we say, all the people where they involved go they protected. So don't you not be like and cheat one person for one person. Yes.
Okay. So you get issue where people go on raise this morning, and I know saying one of the issues when they did. First of all, I know say this conversation. People will not believe, say, CS, say God hand there inside. People will not believe, say woman not fit born pikin, not mean say she keep person. People will not believe, say, to adopt pikin self, na better thing. Bless on I go come on this WhatsApp group when we say we don't enter this morning. Or if one get change of mind, I beg, sit down. Because I won't ask one important question. I don't say you don't already carry and do arguments, even for your own religious gatherings. When another woman carry another woman pikin, and they talk about people when we say she even come out her own egg, her husband sperm, then join them together. Don't be the one when bring a different person entirely. Yeah. So that pikin no go get part of that woman when carry her pikin. How?
At all.
See, inside the below, now the water and the blood.
The way God create them, now the person will get egg gets the pikin. See, the moment where that embryo form, everything where that embryo go need to form pikin don't dey inside. The placenta, the water, the baby himself, the everything, the blood system. So that's surrogate,
not just house when does
just accommodate. So even your own pikin, even your own pikin, God don't divide them. She not share anything. Now only that DNA which she come out from you. Only that. But to eat, to protect them, to give her shelter, that's not the thing where you self they do as mama.
So the pikin still carry the DNA of the original mama when give her
the original mama. Okay, me for instance, now Indian be my surrogate. Indian, where here they like this.
Yes.
My pikin no look.
You not carry Indian hair like 22 inches.
At all.